Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how you started to make a graph and this situation that we can start to draw x and y axis. You can actually start to add a graph by dragging make graph, and then that is really about to have it to make a Cora graph maker. You can actually start to have it, and then as you can see you can start to add this value, and once you do continue you will start to go for a random things which is ready to be manual input. Okay, so now what you're gonna do after you finish it, you're gonna start to add it on your side. Okay, so how you can put it: raw series, for example, like this, manual input, apply data. Okay, maybe then we can see that is still also something that it should really make it a graph charts by chart if you want, if you have to, but I don't know what kind of export thing is going on, so we have started to go for something that is helping you to export. So there is a button here that is really hidden and it doesn't making some extension which is really blue right here. So if I click it, charts sent to the Figma canvas. So it's really hidden, and okay, as you can see here, a little bit blue thing which is really right here, send it to Figma, and that is almost about here, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel it, or maybe going on with, okay, so we have to add it again, and here we are. I think I have missed it to go back, so I will open it again, and maybe this gonna work with extending this kind of screens that we had. And as you can see, guys, we have just saved it, and that is all.